Scrappy peeps, Suzanna here today for the June unboxing of my Cherry on Top for What's New, a series that I do with Sarah Scraps. So I will start off with, well, I guess I'll start off at the top and work my way down. So first things first, I have, if I move these things and pull them in bit by bit, then you can see on this white space here. So I have the Ticket Essentials from 49th and Market. This is all I got. So each month they're releasing different colors, and I think this may even have been last month's, but so there's tickets, there's stamps, and then there's more tickets. Oops, and then I ripped them. And so it's just oodles and oodles and poodles of tickets. But I have seen this color a lot lately. It's kind of the color of, oops, the season, and I like them in my memory planner, and they're great for just tucking into things. So those are big tickets, little tickets, the tickets, and then the stamps that go with that. And you can see how this is a very popular color. I mean, you can see it in a bunch of different things there. So I got those as fun embellishments. And then I got these puffy hearts from Doodlebug, as well as these alphabet soup letter stickers. So I got them in kind of more of a corally orange, and then this mint color, because they're colors that I use a lot in my memory planner, but don't have I don't have a lot of in my stash, but also see popular colors in collections currently. And then I'm not into cutesy, but I do have cats, and so in small increments I thought these would be really fun on a cat page there. Then if we go into the collections, you've seen sort of a sprinkling of Vicky Boutin over the various videos that I've done, and I added this because I thought it would be fun to fussy cut the wreath and then maybe add additional flowers to it for dimension with something in the center there. So I don't know why I didn't add that piece originally, but that's kind of how I buy things, in trickles, in dribs and drabs. Then I am a sucker for PinkFresh, so the rest of this is all PinkFresh Studio. So the Lovely Blooms collection, again, I like these circles, and then you get these blossoms and you add additional flowers to it, and I loved the size of these words. So not a lot from that collection because I wanted to mix and mingle. Mix and mingle, I think that's actually the name of a collection. So then I also got Tourist Mode. A lot of these collections, I like the pattern papers, but they're hard to use for me. So I like the embellishments with some of the pattern papers that I mix with other things. So it's mostly embellishments on these pages for me. I also like the paper pads, the 6x6 paper pads better, but I have so many 6x6 paper pads that I'm trying to be a little bit more judicious about the stuff. So I have here the embellishments, the ephemera pack, 44 pieces, and you can see those here. So I'm working on, I think I mentioned this last time, a travel book for Mia, and so I wanted mostly more of the embellishments to go with pocket pages. I'm actually working in a 6x8 Citrus Twist kit book, and so I thought I don't want, I like filling the pockets. So those. And then I got the stickers, and then I did get a few of the pieces of paper. So the kind of subway lines, and I know I won't use that. I got it more for this, but maybe. I always love having the pocket cards and the tickets, more tickets, and the B-side. The B-side to me are always, I don't know, they're fun for when you need just tone on tone, but I like the prints. I love this. And then the B side of that, and then I love these circles. And so I'm thinking I might cut out, I don't know, I'm thinking that this might be a pocket page. Kind of, I don't know. So, and then I do like those stripes. So that is the Tourist Mode collection. And that's actually from In a Creative Bubble, and she's got some, I actually bought some of her new digital elements. Then last but not least, also PinkFresh Studio, and this is Sunshine on My Mind. And I will go through, so the pattern papers. Fussy cutting was of course what came to mind for those, which is why I've got two, because I really like the B side as well, nestling those on there somehow. I envisioned a cut file, either that or maybe some of my scrapbook.com foliage would be fun. And then I did not get this for that. I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of that washed out look. I did get it for this. And then the leaves, which fussy cut with that might be fun. And I do like that. And then these big leaves, which I also thought maybe fussy cutting one of those with these nestled in that might be fun. Either that, or I also thought if I cut the edge of this and then put a few of maybe a flower down the bottom and the top, and then that would be where my pictures were. That was kind of what I was thinking with that. And then I just kind of liked this. I was thinking that I would stitch across it in just white thread, and then there's that. So then I got way more ephemera, of course, so I always get these flower packs. I like these. So you've got those, so there are 24 pieces of the floral ephemera. I liked the acetate ephemera because I like this in my memory planner too. It's thin, and it just adds a fun dimensional layer to the memory planners, and I figured Adventure Seeker, Summer Nights, those are things that I could build into my memory planner. And the pockets, of course, I always use interactive things. And then again, for my memory planner, and also for pages too, right? But what's left over from pages is great for my memory planner. I love these alphas. So let me know in the description box or in the comment boxes down below what you would like to see me use. And in 2 weeks, I will have a video trying to use whatever is most commonly voted on. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping in today. Come back again soon. Take care.